So when you look at the global supply chain, most folks are focusing on the physical supply chain, but the reality is, when you look at the risks associated with extending your supply chain outside the US, the information that's being transmitted is as valuable, if not more valuable, than the product that's being shipped. This is a huge focus within the US, the FDA, Department of Justice. As most of us know, we've been involved in some sort of a serialization solution when we start thinking about taking our products outside the US as an anti-counterfeiting measure. In fact, just recently, a few days ago, 4 congressmen in a bipartisan bill are putting forward this proposal to actually extend the concept of serialization right down to the individual dispensed container at the pharmacy. What this means for pharma, it's difficult to say, but the bottom line is, as we sit here today, the solutions that we're currently using to ensure that we're not having drug diversion or drug counterfeiting are not adequate. So looking at solutions that involve risk assessment, track and trace technology such as RFID, holograms, 2 and 3D barcodes, embedded barcodes, nano barcodes. These are all solutions that are being broadly used in other market segments that have applicability in our market today. And as we're starting to look at extending the supply chain outside the US, it's important to make sure that we look at the entire suite of solutions. No one technology is going to be your final answer. And it's really going to be a marriage of both your systems and the technology solutions you identify, recognizing you're dealing with different cultures, different business practices that's going to allow you to mitigate the overall risk to your information and to your product that's being distributed around the world.